Next thing we might need is, how do I navigate around this thing? First of all, if you are a senior ArcoLinux user, all the key bindings are exactly the same. That means for us, what's important? Well, first of all, there is a menu. That's it, right? You can launch an application and you can exit, also important. But what next, right? A Ctrl-Alt-T opens this. Super Q closes that. Super T, not doing anything, right? Ctrl-Alt-Enter, activated. Ctrl-Shift-Q, gone. Super Enter, foot, another terminal, maybe nice. Super Q, bye. And it's filled and filled with all the common things like Super X. There it is, the same menu that you can get in here. And Super Shift Enter is another one. Super Q, Super Shift D, escape, Super D, escape. Right, those are the most common ones, but there are lots and lots others. What if you want to learn them all? Well, if you're coming from Awesome or BSP, WM and so on, you know them. The new guys, like Super, arrow to the left, so number 4 on my keypad, 6, 9, 8, 7, 5, 2, 3, 1, and right, fast. I mean, it's just great. It's just so responsive. Wayfire ini is the file you need to open up. So if I drag this thing to the top, it goes like that, goes like that, goes like this. It depends. The dual guys, the dual screen monitor guys, right? We have to practice to get it there, or there, or there. Okay, but Super F, full screen. Super F, off and back and click, right? And where are all the key bindings? The one by one, you can go over them. Control Alt key, Enter, and so on. There's also Alt key F2. So this possibility is there. Escape, Alt F3. The guys from XFC, they recognize this. Oh yeah, sure, great. Because sometimes there is this one application that you use once a year and you don't recall the name, right? Can't recall it. It's there, it's in the list. You'll find it. And PAMAC Manager is here, Ctrl-Alt-P is here, Powerful Control is here, Ctrl-Alt-U is what I press a lot to set my things, right? Everything the way it should be. And so Super Q, bye again. So Melt is here, Super F5, Ctrl-Alt-F, Firefox is there. So many things are just there because there is a key binding, right? Lots and lots of key bindings. Here it stops. So 103 minus 83, well, right around 30, 20, 30 or more, 30 and 30, 60 by key bindings, 50 key bindings, right? So you learn them again. How was it again? Spotify, if you're a Spotify user, Ctrl-Alt-S, Spotify opens, stopping the music to play, stop CD, the keys on your keyboard sometimes, which are stop, previous, play, pause, and next, sound, volume up, right, volume down, and mute. These buttons that I have, they need to work for my Spotify to play the music, right? It's all here. So this is what you need to go over, and most of us have already that in our fingers, and we know exactly what to press the buttons if we want to launch something. There it is. PAMAC has launched. All right, enjoy.